swear they never really understand me. I need a comma like I need a Grammy. She lays the flow with her designer panties. Yeah, we eating plenty, check the pantry. From the sound waves to the rebel lines, from the tattered bridges to expensive dishes. Now we eating ends with these new beginnings. Yet to sign a major for the bankroll, but thank the Lord that it dies at penitentiary. Night sky, but my inside is empty.
Damn, only $39 for a full tank on the Evo. That has never happened before. In California, premium is usually way higher. It's like $3.20 a gallon right now, which is really low compared to what I'm used to. Sheesh! So I think today is a day that part of the Rocky Bunny kit is coming off the S13. So I have all the parts for the Type X front end, including the bumper, the side extensions, the brackets for the side extension. I have the upper bumper mount already on the bumper, and then I have the support that bolts onto the radiator support. So it should be like OEM fitment, I hope. One thing that bugs me about my S13 and a lot of other S13s, and it used to not be like this, but over time the front bumpers will start to sag, especially like in the headlight corners. It's like right here, the fitment, it actually tweaked over a little bit. It's kind of sagging here. Cracking fiberglass. It's even worse on this side. It's sagging a lot here. Yeah, it's just, I just want to have like good fitment on my front bumper, and I don't want to have to worry about cracking. So that's kind of where the OEM bumpers come in. Today's just going to be more of like a test fitment day because I really want to see how the Type X front bumper will look with the Rocky Bunny flares. I'm not sure what I'm going to do about the rear bumper yet, and if it looks like really weird, I'm definitely going to take the flares off and go to that custom metal wide body that I mentioned in the last 240 video. But yeah, I'm really excited to see how this goes, so let's get started. I first started by installing the brackets directly onto the car, but quickly realized it wasn't going to work. So here I am taking them back off. After looking back at it for a minute, I realized the best approach would be to loosely mount the OEM brackets on the bumper, including the side extensions. During test fitting, I also noticed that I needed to drill one hole in each fender, so I took care of that real quick. Okay, well, the only issue that I thought might happen has happened, where the Rocky Bunny flares don't clear the Type X bumper extension. So yeah, right here, as you can see, it hits by maybe 1/4 of an inch, so that could be shaved off potentially. So what I'm going to do right now is actually I'm going to take both flares off the car, then properly mount the bumper with everything good to go. And then we'll test fit the flares after that to see how much we actually need to cut off. Or if I'm not, I might just leave them off and then have the metal flares done right off the bat. So yeah, that's the issue I'm running into right now. We'll see how it goes. I just mentioned to Juan the problem that I was having. He's like, just mount the bumper, put the side extensions on, and then bring it to me and I'll make those flares fit. And like, that's what I want to hear. So I think we're probably going to keep the Rocky Bunny flares for now at least. I spent a few minutes attempting to perfect the bumper fitment, but after not having any luck, I saw that the bottom of the bumper was actually making contact with the clamps on my intercooler piping. I pulled the clamps off and one of them actually broke during removal, so I'll just fix that tomorrow. But overall the bumper fits super nicely and I love not having zip ties or self-tappers holding it on. I wasn't too concerned with lining everything up perfectly since the body shop will take care of that after paint. And based off of all the DMs I got on Insta, people either love or hate the new bumper. I like how it looks and I love that I have one less fiberglass piece to worry about now.